blessed day to you all. Thank you all for always supporting my video. It's me once again, Gift of Best Kitchen. You are always welcome to my kitchen, guys. A place where you can see goodies of your choice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I greet you with your time once again. My new subscribers, thank you. For my old ones, I say thank you for always supporting my channel at Gift of Best Kitchen. Thank you for your like, for your comments. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. So if today is the first time of coming across this Ogbege channel, my people, so please just subscribe, click the notification bell so that you will be the first online to be notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. Okay, what are we going to be doing today? I'm going to be showing us some home remedy you can use for cough, guys, for dry cough, wet cough, even TB. Understand? So the remedy work like magic. It work like magic. It really work like magic, guys. Okay, guys, let's get started, guys. So here is the juice after the making, guys. Hello guys, here is the juice as I was saying before. So I put into my cup and to drink. So after making the juice, I have to drink it for you guys to see that there is nothing in it. So it's just honey. So when there is honey, it's not going to be bitter. It's very sweet. So you have to try it out. Somebody recommended it for me and I tried it. My God, it worked. It worked like magic perfectly. It work, guys. So just try it and you give me your reply. Just give me your reply on my comment section. Drop it on my comment section, guys. It work for dry cough, wet cough, TB. So you can use your spoon. You can drink it with the cup. So but I prefer to use my spoon so that you guys will see how it look like. Okay, so it's not that bitter, so don't that, just tried it, guys. This is how it looked like. So with honey, it's very sweet, very sweet. So with honey, it's not going to be bitter. So kids can also drink it, children can drink it, adults can drink it, as you can see. So there's nothing more to it. It's just ginger and garlic. No, not garlic, sorry guys. Ginger, orange and honey. Okay, let me take you down to my kitchen and let us make it together. I don't like garlic. Okay. So guys, here are the things that I'm going to be needing. Here is honey. We all know honey help for cough also. Here is my ginger. Here is my ginger and lime. So I'll be using 5 from here, and you'll be needing a cup like this to put in your liquid. And here is my blender that I'm going to be using. So let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to be peeling my ginger. I will peel before I wash it, guys, because it's very important that you wash before blending. So I'll be using 2 ginger like this, 2 of this ginger. Now the next thing for you to do is to slice, cut into smaller pieces as your blender can cut. Just have to cut it. So it depends on your blender. So I'm going to be using small blender. So that's why I'm going to be cutting it into smaller pieces, guys, so that my blender can blend it very well. So this thing can work for cough, dry cough. Any cough can work for anything. So check my description box below. You will see the active of this. I saw it on somebody's wall and I tried it, guys. It work. It really work. It's really work, guys. So here is it. I'm going to be roasting it now with I'll transfer it into my blender. As I said before, I'm going to be using small blender, not that big, because it's only this that you are going to be blending. The orange, you are not going to be blending it. Just, I'll keep it aside. Now we are going to go for the orange. What are we going to do with this orange? We are going to squeeze out the water. So I'll be using 4. You can use 5, depends on the quantity of the ginger that you have. So I've raised the orange, as you can see. So I raised it off camera. So what are we going to be doing? Just cut it into 2 parts like this. I'll be using this to squeeze out my water from the orange. You use your hand, guys. The water, the liquid from the orange, from your lime, will not go out well like this. So you have to look for something to sieve out the water. You see? So before I blend, I'm going to be adding water into this ginger for the blending, because you have to add a little water to it for it to blend very well. So here is the quantity of my water. So after adding the water, you blend. So here is my sieve. I'm going to be using this to sieve it out, to sieve the water. If you know you are not in a hurry, you just leave it, allow the water to sieve on its own. But if you know you are in a hurry, just use your spoon to sieve it out. So I'll be throwing this away. You don't need this. So same thing goes to the lime that we squeeze. So I'm going to be sieving out the water also. Most of the seed. So here is the water from our ginger, and here is the water from our lime, guys. So the next thing we are going to be doing is adding the lime. So you just stay together. So our next thing is onion. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of onion. So guys, if it is children that is taking it, you can use like a year old and all those 8-month stuff that is not up to a year. So you can just add juice, the juice that you know that they are taking always, that they love, you can add it to it. But for adults, for like 2 years, 3 years, you can add honey to it for them. So this, it works like magic, guys. So just try it and give me feedback in my comment section. So just try it, guys. You will see how it worked. So you mixed it together. We are done. I'm done stirring together. So you can see it's very sweet. It's not bitter. It's not that but it's very sweet with the honey and with the juice for the kicks. It's very sweet. So we'll be needing our bowl. So I'm going to be using this because I'm going to be putting it in the fridge. So you can use any cup of your choice, any bowl of your choice. You can use it to store it in your refrigerator. I'll turn inside here. Wow, it's just like I gauge mine, guys. This is what I got from 2 ginger and 5 lime. I mentioned 4 before, but I end up using 5 because of the ginger. The ginger was much, so I end up using 5. So you can give it a try, guys. Here is the final look of our juice. Okay, it works like manjis for cough, so you can use it dry cough, any cough, so you can use it. Just check my description box below, you will see the use of this lime and ginger and honey that we just use now. So guys, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, at Gift of Best Kitchen. So you can always subscribe and like our videos, comment according to what you watch, guys. Hopefully to see you next time. Thank you to my old subscribers and to my new ones. May God bless you. God bless you, my old subscribers, and thank you for the love that you are showering upon Gift of Best Kitchen. Thank you for your lovely comments. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you next time on my next video.